Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by Power by automatically adding up your numbers when all you really want to see are the raw, individual values, this video is going to clear that up for you. By the end of our tutorial today, you'll know exactly how to use the Don't Summarize feature in Power by Desktop to keep your tables showing each row's original data, instead of a big total. Let's dive right in and take control of how your data appears. Imagine you have a simple data set like a list of product orders, each with an order ID, the product name, and the quantity ordered. So you've got something like order 1001 is for 2 laptops, order 1002 is 1 phone, and so on. Now when you create a table visual and drag in the quantity column, Power by default tries to be helpful. It automatically sums those quantities up, thinking, hey, you probably want to know the total number of items sold. Sometimes that's great, but what if you just want to see each individual order, row by row, without any totals? Here's what you do. First, with your data loaded, go ahead and create a table visual. This part is super straightforward. You just select the table option from the visualizations pane. Then drag your columns, ordered, product, and quantity right into the values pane of your table. You'll see Power by immediately starts displaying your data, but take a look at the quantity column. Instead of showing 2135 for those 4 orders, it's probably showing a single summed value or aggregating them in some way. That's not quite what we want. Here's the key moment. Find the quantity field you've added to the table's values pane. You'll see a little drop-down arrow right next to its name. Give that a click. In the menu that appears, you'll notice a bunch of options like sum, average, count, and crucially, don't summarize. Go ahead and choose that. It might feel like a tiny change, but it makes a world of difference. Now your table visual switches to showing the raw numbers for each order just as they appear in your data source. No more automatic adding. Every single row stands on its own, so you get a true transaction-level view. This is especially important when you need to look at details. Maybe you're debugging a dataset or sharing information with a colleague who needs the actual numbers per order, not the summary. It's also absolutely vital when displaying IDs, invoice numbers, or any unique values. Those obviously shouldn't be summed or averaged. Remember, Power by likes to make assumptions, especially about numeric columns. If you're working with numbers that shouldn't be totaled, like phone numbers, codes, amounts per order, be sure to either use Don't Summarize, or consider switching the column's data type to text in the data model, so Power by stops treating it like something to aggregate. And that's the trick. With one simple setting, your table now gives you a clear, accurate snapshot of individual items, just as you intended. Don't worry if you don't get it exactly right the first time. Just double-check the drop-down arrow on your columns in the table and make sure Don't Summarize is selected. It's a little detail, but it puts you fully in control of your data presentation. If this tutorial helped you master Power by tables, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Power by frustrations you want solved. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and insider tips to make your reporting smoother than ever. Thanks for watching and see you next time.